what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're not a part of the Trendy Squad, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the Trendy Squad too. Hey, happy Halloween! As you can see in today's video, I am doing Shego for Halloween, so I hope you guys are ready to see this video. Keep watching if you want to achieve this simple and cost-effective Halloween look. Alright you guys, to go ahead and start off this look, I have my hair in a slick back bun, so that way it is out of the way because we are going to bring in a swig, aka a wig, to be able to go ahead and complete this look. So I already have my face prepped and everything like that. I've used all Fenty products, so I have the Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. I also use the Pro Filt'r Primer and the concealer, and I also use the bronzer, which is, oh, it's right here, in Coco Naughty. So yes, everything face-wise is pretty much prepared. So we're gonna go ahead and do brows together and eyeshadow. This look is supposed to be super duper simple, so that's why I already prepared everything else. She is on the pale side, but I didn't want to be pale Shego. But I figured using the mattifying aspect would kind of bring it into matching the character because she's pale and she's not shiny or glowing or anything like that. She's pretty matte. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Dip Brow Pomade by Anastasia or Anastasia. This one is in caramel. This is one I typically use. So yeah, let's just go in on the brows, and I'll just basically go ahead and speed this up a little bit because yeah, you guys don't really need to see me do my brows entirely, but yes. So after the brows, we're gonna be doing shadow and her lip and then the wig and some highlight. So that's pretty much it. This is one of the more simple Halloween looks that you can go ahead and achieve. You know, like pretty simply, pretty quick. So if you have a black wig in your house and you have some green eyeshadow, go ahead, put this together, and then there you go. Happy Halloween. There's your Halloween look. You are Shego. I also have an outfit for Shego. But all of these things for these Halloween looks are definitely supposed to be, you know, my cost-effective ways of creating a Halloween character. So as I continue to speak to you, let me do my brows. So basically, with all of these looks that I'm doing this Halloween, this is my first Halloween series. I hope you guys are enjoying it. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, definitely go ahead and check them out. So the brows are pretty much done, but I'm definitely gonna go ahead and have to clean them up a little bit with some concealer because my eyebrows are growing out a little. So let's go ahead and fill that section of little hairs with some concealer just to clean it up a little bit. Okay, there we go. The brows are cleaned up a little bit. Boom, bam. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and do the shadow. So I'm gonna be using the same palette I used for my Cruella de Vil look, which is the 35M Boss Move Morphie Palette. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, so these are the colors here, and we're gonna be using similar colors for Shego's look. So yes, let's go ahead and go in. We're gonna be using greens yet again. Let's see what we can achieve with this. I wanna play around with a little bit of black since Shego likes green and black. So let's see what we can achieve with it. I think I'm just gonna involve some liner instead of using black shadow because I don't wanna get too crazy with black shadow. Okay, so for my eyes, to prime them, instead of using concealer today, I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This is the original one, and I just have like a little travel size. I probably should try to buy the big one since I like this one so much. But I'm just gonna use that to prime my eyes. Hopefully there's some in here. Ooh, there we go, got it out. It looks like a little poop. Now that my eyes are primed and ready to go, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna be using the combination of these two top green colors here. So let's see, so let's go in with one of my favorite Morphe brushes. This one is the M153 brush, and I'm gonna just use it to pick up this shadow. So I'm gonna go in with this color here. So I'm using my finger instead of the brush so that way it can be a lot more opaque, because I've been noticing that when I use the brush with this palette, right, it just doesn't make the green pop out as much as I wanted to. Even trying to layer it with the brush doesn't work out too great. So I'm gonna bring in a little bit darker green, the other green shade that is on the palette. This one right here, I'm gonna bring, oh, that one. I'm gonna use this brush. This is another Morphie brush. This is the M330 brush. I'm gonna go ahead and go in above my lid just to kind of give it a little bit more depth and bring the green out. I really like this second green because it brings it out a little bit more. It gives it a little bit more depth to the eye look. I'm gonna go ahead and try to use the liner to try to give it another dimension and just a different look as well, but we shall see how that goes. So I'm gonna bring, I don't wanna bring any sparkle into this look because Shego's pretty matte. I am going to go ahead and just bring some black into this look now too. She does have this black lip that it doesn't actually form the way that our lips are. It's more of like a frown, basically. So let me go ahead and do that right now to be able to get the lip in there. Oh my god! Yo, I'm so, oh my gosh, this so looks like Shego. Crap. Oh man, I look like I'm on an episode of Kim Possible. Kim Possible, Kim Possible. Okay. We'll have a dance party later, not now. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish the eyes. I just had to do the lip. I know I jumped from eyes to lip, but just look at it. All right, let's finish up the eyes. I'm gonna be using lashes because I wanna give her a little bit more depth. But before we get there, I keep jumping all over the place because I'm getting super duper excited about this because Shego is such a quick, easy look, especially if we got some green shadow and a dark lip. So let me go in with my liner. I hope I do not kill this right now, but let's see. So there is a different way to do this where you can bring some pop to it. I'm gonna do liner on the top instead of where it's supposed to be, basically. I'm gonna do it on my lid. The goal is not to blink. My bottom lip is getting real dry, so I'm gonna just finish my lip real quick before I do the next eyelid. I'm gonna go in with Fenty again. This is Fussy Bomb. Just put it on the bottom so my lips don't dry out. Thank goodness, oh my goodness. She was dry, she needed some water. All right, next thing that we're gonna do is the other lid. And I hope I slay it as much as I can slay this side. It's a little higher than I want, but this eyebrow also arches a little bit higher than I want too, so we just gonna be like, we're just gonna be skeptical. Okay, so should I bring it in this way or should I bring it in this way? Which way? Let me ask my little sister what she thinks. Haley, should I do the liner on the top or on the bottom? On the top. So you want a wing, is what you're saying? Like right here? Okay, so I'll do a wing. Okay, let's do some bottom liner because there's a lot of black involved in Shego. Green and black, green and black. All right, the liner on my lash line is done. I just used a black pencil. Let's not get too dramatic. It's just a black eyeliner pencil. The next thing that I'm gonna go ahead and do are my lashes. On the bottom, I'm gonna be going ahead and just doing black, and then I'm gonna use some falsies as well, just to make it a little bit more dramatic. These are the Ardell Wispies. I have used them before, so that's why they look a hot mess inside of here, but I just used them for a little bit and then I took them off. It was for another video. But yeah, so these are the Ardell Wispies. I wanted to use these because Shego doesn't really look like, you know, somebody who's really gonna wear makeup, right? So I just wanted to use these because they are a little bit more natural looking, just to kind of bring out the look a lot more. And yeah, like you guys, we are almost done with this, and I think I've been doing this video for about like 20 minutes. Obviously, you guys are gonna see it like fast forwarded, but I just wanted to let you guys know, like, this is not something that's gonna take you too long. That way you can get it done if you have a last minute Halloween party that you're heading out to. So yeah, lashes are on. They're still drying, so I'm just gonna go ahead and let them dry. And while they're drying, let's multitask and do something different. So I'm actually going to use my little fan brush here, right? And I'm gonna go into the sparkly green, and we are going to have green highlight because Shego is green everywhere. So I'm just gonna dip it in there. Oh my gosh, I've never seen my fan brush with green. And we're just gonna do some green highlight. Ooh, she green. Oh, okay. Do a little under the eyebrows. Alrighty. Oh my gosh. It's like the Hulk. She's like the Queen Hulk. Okay, so now time for the swig. Okay guys, got a little bit of green, looking like Shego out here. Hey guys, so this is the brand for the wig. I got it on Amazon. It was only about like $20. Let's, you know, save our money and be on a budget here. So here is the wig. It's a little bit tangled because I've kind of been messing with it. Here it is. I didn't want you guys to see it until I kind of combed it out a little bit, but I still have to comb it out, but like look how long it is. Woo, luscious wig. Okay, so I'm just gonna basically grab my wig cap and then put the wig cap on, and let's pop this wig on. Okay, so if you guys are gonna do the low bun that I suggested, make sure it's really, really low and as small as you possibly can get it, because if not, there will be a bump on the back of your head, which, you know, is not gonna be cute. So yeah, let me go ahead and pop this wig on so we can finish out this look. Wig is on, but I'm not done yet. Hold that thought. Okay, you guys. I achieved Shego, okay? Okay, so this is a shirt from Forever 21 that I just found, and I was like, okay, this is like the best depiction of what it could look like. I obviously need to fix this line up here, but like, you know, I think this came out pretty good. I don't know what you think, but I think I look like Shego. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can definitely achieve this look too. Just follow the simple steps in the video that I did today and share it with your friends. Happy Halloween. Keep watching my Halloween series. I am AshSetsTrends, and my name is Ashley-Nicole. But yeah, so if you're not a part of the Trendy Squad, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the Trendy Squad too. Happy Halloween, you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.